Patagonia is one of those places, indescribable. It is untouched. It is in fact almost like it was 1,000 years ago. Places like this are disappearing all around the world. Patagonia is one of the last truly untouched ecosystems left. There is a very remote, isolated community here that's been working for years to protect this place.
One of the reasons this place is so special is because the community really understand what they have here. And for that reason, it's really important to really involve them in the science and really to involve them in the decision making.
Not every day you have the opportunity to work with a community that is so eager to learn and so interested and so aware of all the possibilities that they can use to know about what they've been living with since forever.
We just took our first drone flight with the multispectral drone. The idea of the drone is it can do a really high-resolution map, and what that allows us to do is actually identify the different types of kelp.
Data is really important because the more data that we have, the more we're able to understand this entire area, and therefore we're able to adapt different management plans.
Now a community member can be using this state-of-the-art technology to continue monitoring the ecosystems that they have been the stewards of for the past generations.
Que llevamos 10 años de área protegida decretada y es en estos momentos donde se empiezan a ver los frutos de todo el trabajo que como comunidad hemos hecho para tener mejores herramientas para poder hacer una conservación efectiva de esta área.
Patagonia for me is ever surprising all the time, and it is one of the most beautiful places on earth.
Patagonia is a pretty wild place. On land is super lush, you can see like how much greenery there is, and you just expect, oh, it's cold water, there's not going to be anything down there, and then you go down and the rock is just booming with life. So much color, so vibrant.
Patagonia contains so many unique ecosystems. Although the water is so cold and the climate is so extreme, there is so much life underneath the surface.
Yeah, super excited to get into a kelp forest. Just seen some seals around, so hopefully they'll come and check us out.
Expeditions like this are great because you get a mixture of scientists and photographers. So often small little creatures that we're not able to detect on surveys, photographers are able to detect. We've also been collecting kelp samples to do genetic analysis.
We're trying to preserve the ocean and the oceanic processes.
Patagonia can be an incredible example of protection around the world. We think Patagonia is the last frontier of conservation, the last frontier of nature, and that's why we're here.
What happens in this place may seem very far away, but actually it affects us all. And it will take all of us to protect it.